What'd you say?
That's right.
You want to wear it?
Sure.
It matches you. Look how cute that is.
Oh, it's probably the merry-go-round.
Oh, look at you. Blue, blue, blue.
Do you want to...
We usually start that. Oh, look at these little houses.
Yeah, it's kind of fun to pay more attention to this side, because usually we're just jamming.
We just go to the grass.
Yeah, we're jamming through here at the end.
Oh, it's a person. I have to go for selfies. I need to turn my shoe.
Okay.
Plant like
Okay. We have our first key experience over here. Are you ready?
I think it's good for the animals.
Well, this is animals. What, do you think it's not for animals?
I don't see anything.
Oh my goodness.
That's what we closed that for.
Maybe there's animals we don't know about. That we'll learn
You
about.
want them? Let's see what it says.
I hold the key.
What you said to me, like Harry Potter.
This is a tree.
Okay. Put it in Spanish.
Do you want to do it in Spanish?
No.
We're going to do it in Espanol.
I don't.
Have you ever wondered what the tree on the zoo logo is? Well, it's a Monterey cypress, and you can find them all over the zoo. In fact, some of them are almost 100 years old, just like the Eucalyptus ovata in front of you now. This tree has grown and adapted to thrive in its environment. And speaking of thriving, you may notice a vast variety of plants that are not only pleasing to the eye, but provide the animals with shade, living structures, and a natural environment. While some of the plants are here for the animals' wellness, others are here for their diets. The koalas, gorillas, and hoofstock.
You want control the key back on a little bit? You're afraid I might.
Our walkabout is a little slice of Australia featuring wallaroos and emus. A wallaroo is a type of small kangaroo in the macropod family, which also includes kangaroos and wallabies. Starting out the size of a jelly bean, the blind and helpless embryos make their way into their mother's pouch to nurse and continue to develop. They'll spend the next 6 months in there for protection, occasionally coming out before quickly diving back in. After about a year and a half, they're ready to be on their own. Another animal in the walkabout is the emu. This small bird is an Australian relative of the ostrich, a branch of the family tree called reptiles. Reptiles are really quite as big as long
Oh, this one doesn't work.
Let's see. Wait a second, man. Try Spanish.
Doesn't work.
Come on, baby. Get it smaller.
He's doing Nazi.
Be quiet. Be quiet.
Hey.
Be quiet, Papu. Where is he?
Oh my god. So cute. Holy smokes.
Lagyan na doon ang kanin ka.
Mia,
Oh, small is the kanin.
Be careful.
Their diet is plant-based. An excellent sense of smell helps them find food, and a characteristic solar pump. In addition to flying the plants and berries to breed insects,
They're big.
Hogs. There's hogs.
Wild boar.
Oh, they're so cute. It's a Lion King.
Yes, it does.
Look like Dada.
Again with the insults.
Oh, babe, right here. Oh, they look so funny.
Oh, it looks like you in the morning.
What did you say?
What?
You're just getting the view.
All the men just sit back.
Here, look. Look at his face. It's so cute. See?
Yeah.
No, it's uniquely clean.
What is this, isn't it?
Look at it, they're all white instead.
Yeah, it's getting clean.
Oh, that one's standing in front of the mist. Look, it's so cute.
Oh, that's what they're doing. They're soaking it in. Look in the water. Look in the water. Just walking by.
Yeah, I wouldn't. Are you sure they're not fun?
Those are definitely, look at.
God, the good side of it.
I'm not hiding anymore. Come here.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that's cute.
Very nice. You wanna try this?